I can guarantee with this method, you are not going to scramble the eggs in your pastina. It's going to be perfect. Bring some chicken stock to the boil, add in a Parmesan rind, some alphabet spaghetti because I'm a child, or stellina is also very good, sprig of thyme, some sea salt, add in your tiny little pasta, then stir it often while it cooks, otherwise it can stick to the bottom or to each other. Meanwhile, whisk up an egg in a bowl. I changed to this bowl. It's got a rubber base. They're so good on Amazon, so I could do two-handed and not have to hold the bowl. Once the pasta's cooked, spoon in some of the broth. This tempers the egg and make sure it doesn't scramble. See, I'm doing it now. Add in your butter to the pasta, stir it through so it melts. At this point, we've all got a temperature gun, right? So you measure the temperature, but spin it around because you want to get the temperature of the bottom. It's got to be under 73 degrees so the egg doesn't scramble. You add your cheese. It's now at a temperature the cheese is also not going to separate. Add in your egg. It doesn't scramble. It's smooth. It's perfect.